everyone will get to eat. And in plentiful. Chutki, please get the salt from the kitchen.
No, Granny, I will not go there. I'm scared of the darkness.
Okay then, you go and get it.
Granny, there is a ghost in the kitchen.
There's no such thing as ghosts. It's simply a fearful notion on our minds.
Granny, when it's dark, a ghost comes and lurks around there.
Kids, this is not a fear of the ghost. It is a ghost named fear that scares you always. Let me tell you a story. In a jungle named Woodworld lived 5 mischievous kids, just like you all. And the first was Goji. Goji loved dancing, playing and splashing about in the water all the time. The second friend was Addy. Addy was very brave. No one dared to cross him. Now comes AJ. AJ believed that he was a movie star. Always looking his best like a hero, with his black goggles and eating his favorite honey. Now, Humpy was the fourth friend. Humpy was very lazy. Always behind, twirling away his tail. He loved eating and would always be found chomping away on his favorite food. And last but not the least was DJ. DJ thought he was very clever. But after all, he was a donkey. Nevertheless, he had a heart of gold and was always ready to help someone in need.
DJ, are you crazy? What are you thinking?
I am thinking, am I crazy?
Okay, who will fetch the football?
I would never go there. After nightfall, a ghost comes beneath the peepal tree.
I will not go there either.
If I go home without my football, Mummy will beat me till I become a ghost myself. We just have to get the ball.
Let's do one thing. Let us all go together. Friends, let's go and fetch our football.
Oh yes, ghosts don't come during the day.
Why do ghosts appear only at night? Look, nothing looks scary during the day.
Seems this ghost is a high-tech one. Comes with his background music.
Friends, I'm very scared.
Was it you playing this music?
You're crazy. Your music scared us all.
I wanted to create some music that would scare everyone away.
We were so frightened last night.
Oh, that was you five? I thought that an audience had gathered for my music. Anyway, now that you're here, listen to my other music. Yo!
We were scared for no reason, it seems.
True, my friend. Today I realized that it is not fear of the ghost, but a ghost named Fear.
Huh? I did not understand.
Well, anyone who's not a donkey has understood.
Oh, sorry. I'll play something else.
So now you see, kids, fear lies only in our minds. And when it's dark, the fear is the ghost that makes us scared of everything.
There's no such thing as ghosts. I'll go and fetch the salt.
No, I will go.